Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix game chat on Rainbow Six Siege in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the right, you're gonna find your game library. Here you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on your device. Right here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix game chat on Rainbow Six Siege, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find sound. Once you find sound, right here you're gonna find microphone, audio output, 3D audio for TV speakers, 3D audio for headphones, and lastly, volume. Go ahead and click on microphone, and then here you're gonna find input device. Go ahead and click on it, and make sure you select the microphone that you're using. As you can see guys, in my case, I'm selecting microphone on controller. Then what you need to do guys next is go to adjust microphone level. Once you do that, as you can see guys, here in the bottom you're gonna find microphone level for your microphone. Click on it, and then right here you can either increase or decrease your microphone level, and at the same time you can see it right here, as you can see guys, in the input volume, and also you can hear your voice in the background. Once you finish, just go back. Here you're gonna find some other options like microphone status when logged in. You can set it to on or mute, and also microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.